Welcome back to Ask Nehru. Today we are going to talk about basic operators in RxJS. Already in my first video, I discussed about this in a very simpler manner. But in this video, I'm gonna use pipe operators. It's a combination operators as well as the basic operators in RxJS. So how we do? Please watch it. So first of all, I have imported whatever the required operators. So this of is a observable creation functions as we discussed earlier in the previous video. And today we are focused on filter, map and tab RxJS operators. Okay, so the filter, it just filters the values from the observable, and map is going to transform the value in the observable, and tab is nothing but debugging, or we can print in the console. So this is very simple, guys. Okay, just like in the JavaScript, print and map and filter, so we just going to do the same in the observable. So now I just want to create an observable with observable symbol, and I use this RxJS of function. It is a create functions. I just take it. Okay, because of my IntelliSense, something is created automatically. I remove everything. So with the of creation function, observable creation functions, I have taken few numbers. This is going to be emitted one after another. So I take the of observable here and I use a pipe. So what the pipe is going to do ultimately? This pipe is going to organize many different operators in the data streamline. For example, we can use filter, and with the comma we can use others as well. For example, map and tab. Okay, so filter is going to filter the value. So here we are filtering only the even numbers. So this is the observable. So this is the observer. So we are dividing the observer by 2. So that's actually modulus. So it's going to extract only the even numbers and omit all the odd numbers. So only 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 is going to come through the filters. Once it comes from the filters, we use map. So we are going to add 1 on each of the resultant value. And we use tab in order to print in the observable streamline itself. Okay. So this tab we can take 2 tab as well, and 1 we can keep above. So what happens before the map and what happens after the map? So that the purpose of tab operator is to find out what is going on in the streamline. Okay, that's fantastically fine. Now we are going to print the values. Okay, so within the ng on it itself. So first of all, before that, we should assign the observable, I mean the transformed observable, into a variable. The variable should also be an observable. I just keep this as observe data. Now I'm gonna print the data with subscribe. Okay. So for now, I'm not going to use all of them, because if I use all of them, it will be a problem. What's the problem? It's not the problem, but many data will be printed that will really confusing. Okay, now I want to show the confusing also, then I will show you the clear one. See, here the data are comes, but so which one belongs to which one, that's quite difficult to track out, right? Therefore what I do, I simply remove the printing from here. I just keep console log, that's all. Now also it's quite confusing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it comes in a sequential order, but I want to say one thing. Before map, yes, before map and after map. That's fantastically fine. Now we can see the result. See, before map it is 2, before map 4, before map 6, before map 8 and 10. That means 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Because the filter it has filtered only the even numbers, and afterwards it is actually printing the even numbers. So before map we are printing the even numbers, and map operation adds 1 on each even numbers. So it results with 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11. So after we printed, we got these added values here. So the tab does nothing but debugging in the operators itself. So while the streamline is going on, we want to see whether our operations are working as expected or not. That's the whole purpose of this. So these are all very basic operators with the pipe we are using. So the purpose of pipe is we can combine multiple operators uh, in the streamline itself. So afterwards actually we simply subscribe it and see all the results. That's all guys in this video. So it seems interesting to you. So we covered some of the most essential RxJS operators: pipe, map, filters and tab. So these operators allow you to manipulate streams in powerful ways. So stay tuned for more RxJS video. If you haven't subscribed yet, so please subscribe and please comment if you have any questions related to this. So stay tuned guys. I will meet you in the next video. Bye.